Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So we're going to do an infinity pour today. It's been a while. If you don't know what that is, don't worry. You're about to find out. And I think I'm going to also do like cool colors against warm colors. Actually, I already put a little bit of white in here. And on this side, we're just using white, blue, and then some purple. And this purple is a metallic purple. So it's quite pretty. This is a 14 by 14 canvas. And so I don't really remember how much paint I need. We're gonna make it work, okay. On this side, we're using black, whoop, that was a lot, and red and yellow, and I think I'll throw a little bit of gold in there. That was actually definitely more black than I intended. Okay. I'm filling these cups up with basically equal amounts of paint. Put some more red. Okay. And on this side, I think I'm going to throw a little more white in here. Those are pretty even. Okay. So the infinity pour is just, it's really fun. It does take a little bit of coordination. There's multiple ways you can do it. So I take one cup in each hand and I'm basically overlapping. And it works best if you actually don't even try to think about it. You kind of just go a bit crazy. And the patterns that this makes are always super surprising. So see how fun this looks, but once we get to stretching it out, it's gonna be pretty awesome. So here we go. It's been a while since I used 14 by 14 canvases. I think you need about 13 to 14, I think like 13 ounces of paint, if I remember correctly. So the metallics are going to help, I'm sure, cause some other effects like some additional cell production and whatnot. The blues seem to have really taken over on this one. So funny. Some days it's like you never know what color is going to be kind of dominant. I'm going to run it back this way a little more because I want to kind of stretch out those warm colors a little bit. Also think I should have used a little more yellow in here, and that would have gotten us more green. Surprisingly, there's literally no green in here. I mean, maybe like just hints of it, despite there being the yellow and the blue and then plus the black and the yellow. So I think it was a bit light on the yellow. All right, let's go ahead. We're gonna let this sit here for a bit. We'll see what else develops, and then we'll do our close-up. All right, so we're back. We've got a bit of cell production in here with the gold specifically. Looks pretty darn cool. Let's go ahead and do our close-up. So starting on the lower right-hand corner, you can see that that purple caused quite a bit of lacing in here. Well, I assume it's the purple. I don't know. We've got gold popping up through here, up to the upper right-hand corner. I like these kind of black lines coming through there. It's pretty trippy. So up to the upper left-hand corner. And over here is where we have most of our warm colors. You can see the gold more at an angle there. Lower left-hand corner. And back overall. So I think a bit less black and a little more yellow would have worked better on my warm side, but still overall quite happy with it. I really like this. I'm going to be doing a few more coming up, just because it's such a fun technique and there's so many different color combinations. One of the things I like about this technique is you can use colors together that you wouldn't normally use together. Just use them in different cups because you're kind of overlapping them and they don't blend as much. Hence why we have this like really bright, warm colors, and it's not making mud with the cool colors. It's pretty awesome. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all next time.